Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. Today we are gonna make a DIY first aid kit. Firstly, start by making a list of all the medicines you need. Second, buy all the medicines. Third, take a clean box, preferably transparent box. Make a cross on the box using a red tape. And lastly, put in all the medicines neatly.
So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go.
I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.